Several jurisdictions around D.C., Maryland, and Virginia are gearing up for the snow right about now, and Charles County leaders say now is the time to prepare.
All right, Storm Team 4 is tracking a major snowstorm this weekend. That's all we can talk about. News 4's Dominique Moody shows us how crews along with residents are getting ready in southern Maryland.
And Charles County Department of Public Works says that this is an all-hands-on-deck type of storm, and they are actually asking the public to get prepared now so that you're not waiting to the last minute to be out on the roads when the storm is already here.
We're already preparing for the worst-case scenario, and if we need to, we can scale it back.
As final preparations crystallize, Charles County leaders are taking a proactive approach to ensuring they're ready come this weekend. Storm Team 4 is predicting that our area has a chance to receive significant snow as well as some ice, including southern Maryland.
The best thing right now is we've got a couple of days, so plan. Don't decide to make your late run to the grocery store when the football game starts on Sunday. Do that beforehand.
Charles County's Department of Public Works is asking residents to park your car in the driveway or on the even-numbered side of the street to help plows move through the neighborhoods, urging residents to stay inside and off the roads after the storm for several reasons.
We want to prevent the snow from packing if possible. Therefore, if the residents stay off the roads, allow us to push that snow and get it off the roads as much as possible, we'll prevent that packing of the ice.
So we really just ask for patience, and quite frankly, the better we can collaborate together by you being a snow smart neighbor and letting Sean and the crew do their work, we'll be able to get through this.
One other asks collaboration by listening to the guidance to help ensure the process to ensure streets are passable and roads are safe.
It's good to be ready, absolutely. You know, get your snow plows charged up or gassed up or whatever you got, and get your shovels ready. And
Shoppers were also erring on the side of caution while looking forward to snow, staying inside, and football.
Definitely don't want to slip, fall, or, I feel like the more you drive during a snowstorm, the higher chance you have of something happening. Whether you like it or not, there's only so much you could control. So staying inside is probably your best option.
You got football Sunday, so you get you a bottle, a cigar, and you good. You chill, right?
In Charles County, Dominique Moody, News 4.